Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the Asset Maintenance Log feature in the Assets Maintenance module. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create and manage maintenance logs for your assets, ensuring their proper upkeep and maintenance. To begin, let's navigate to the Assets Maintenance module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click here to access the asset maintenance-related functions. Once you're in the Assets Maintenance module, locate the Asset Maintenance Log option. This feature allows you to create and manage maintenance logs for your assets. In the Asset Maintenance Log list, you'll find a summary of existing maintenance logs for your assets. Asset Maintenance Log logs the tasks carried out in an asset maintenance. So, before creating and using Asset Maintenance Log, it is advised to create the asset maintenance first. For each task in asset maintenance log is auto-created to keep track of the upcoming maintenances. It will have a status, completion date and actions performed. Based on completion date here, next due date is calculated automatically and new asset maintenance log is created. A draft of the asset maintenance log is created as scheduled in the asset maintenance form. In order to submit an asset maintenance log, the asset maintenance status has to either completed or cancelled. On the other hand, the status of the asset maintenance log can be planned, completed, cancelled, or overdue. Additional notes can also be added in the Actions Performed section to describe the activity in detail. Congratulations! You've learned how to use the Asset Maintenance Log feature in the Assets Maintenance module. Keep track of maintenance activities and ensure the proper upkeep of your assets with Parsimony. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Streamline your asset maintenance process with Parsimony.